What piano chords should you learn first? Hi, I'm April from Piano Lessons Info, here to answer this question today. So the basic answer to which chords you should learn first are the easy ones. So there are a few basic chords, easy ones, common ones. Those are the ones to focus on first. So the first one you can learn is C. So that's C, E, G. Next, learn G and F. Okay, so once you've got those ones, let's go to A minor, A, C, E. That's your first minor chord. And then you can learn a few of the other minor chords on all white notes. D minor, D, F, A, E minor, E, G, B. Okay, and then you can move on to some with some sharps in them, like D, D, F sharp, A major chord, A, C sharp, E, and top it off with E major, E, G sharp, B. Okay, so those are the first chords you should learn. And after that, focus on making sure you know all the major chords. And I will give you a quick hint in a second in all the minor chords. So to make a major chord, you can look at the pattern on the keyboard and figure out what a major chord is. So if you look here, I play a note, I skip 3 semitones. I play a note, I skip 2 semitones, I play a note. That is a major chord. So that's a major chord here, skip, skip. And a major chord here, skip those ones, skip those. So that's a major chord. A minor chord is slightly different. If we play E minor, we play a note, skip 2, play a note, skip 3, play a note. So it's opposite from major. So we're going to go skip 3, skip 2 for a minor chord. D minor, skip 2, skip 3. Okay, so that's a simple, easy way to learn a major chord and a minor chord. And I'll see you next time. Bye!